different than I expected. I didn't know what to expect, but it was really beautiful. I've never done like this kind of trekking before, and I've never been in the jungle, so that was a big surprise to see the caves and all these beautiful trees. So that was really cool.
It was quite nice experience. The jungle was really cool. The first cave I liked the most. The water was very blue, so I really liked it.
Do a barbecue in the middle of the jungle. I really liked the sandwich. It was a good sandwich.
The landscape was amazing. I was looking down at my feet the entire time, but when I looked up, it was so beautiful. The scenery was amazing. Yeah.
I really liked it. It was quite tiring, but I really liked it. It was a good tour. Yeah, we will definitely write a good review. I think you get a 5-star. Yeah.